guys, this is the third game. We take this and this bottle cap, and then we put it on here.
Okay, go.
But how do mommy do it? How did mommy do it?
Concentrate.
Is it like balls? Then it like turns out lopsided a bit.
Okay, one down.
Come on, hands. Let's do it. Come on. Oh God! There. Wait, can I do like this?
And it basta makuha nyo.
I just flip it and then it's done. Look, you want, look, you want. You want, look. So you try and get it and then you just like flip it. See? Like that and then it's on. Where's the I can't find it anymore. It's there.
Oh, you get it, yes.
I win.
You get one.
I already did it.
You get one.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Where's it?
Whoa, it's so hard.
Oh, it's so hard. Kahit kinuha mo na, natungging pa rin. Ay, Diyos mo. Okay.